In today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I want to show you how we can calculate the range in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, I have a sample data of a certain loan amortization schedule. So I'm going to use this data to calculate the range of one of the columns, say the column of interest, which is column I. So when I want to calculate the range, I'm going to use two functions combined together. The function I'm going to use, one is called the maximum, and then the other one is called the minimum function. If you want to know how to use this function, you can go and check in the previous videos that I just made about the max and minimum function. So I'm going to select one of the cell, which is M15. Now, after selecting this cell, let me first expand the cell. So I'm going to enter equal sign to tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. Then from there, I'll go ahead and type the function name for maximum. This one will return the largest value in the set of values. So after that, I'll have to open the bracket. Now I want to get all the values for the interest. So I'll first put the first value, which is I14. So I'll put I14, and then from there I have to use the range from I14 up to I23. I put I23. Now this function is going to select all the numbers within this range, and then from there it will pick the largest value. So after picking the value, I have to close the bracket. Then I put minus. So after putting minus, I have to put the function name for minimum. The minimum function will return the smallest number in a set of values, and to go ahead and ignore the logical values and the text values. So from there, go ahead and open the bracket. So I also put the first value, which is I15, and then from there I put the range from I15. No, this is I14 to I23. Then from there, I go ahead and close the bracket. Then after that, after doing that, go ahead and press enter, because now I have the two functions combined together, the maximum, the max and the minimum. The maximum will pick the largest value in the set of values, and then subtract from the min function, which will also pick the smallest value in the set of values. So when you press enter, you will be able to get $15.48. So this one is now the range from the interest, from the column of the interest. When you check all these values, the range of all this one is 15 is 15 what $0.48. So this is how we can calculate the range. For example, if I want to calculate the range of the cumulative interest, I'll pick one of the cell, then I say equal sign, then I put maximum. This is a function that will pick the largest value in this column. Then I open the bracket. So here I'm going to pick the first value, which is K14. I'll go ahead and say K14. Then I say 2 K23. Now here I'm going to select all the numbers from K14 to K23. I'll close the bracket. The function max will pick the largest value, and then subtract with another function min, which will pick the smallest value from K14 to K23. Then from there, close the bracket. After that, press enter, and then you will be able to get $72.94. So this is the range after calculating the maximum and the minimum from the number from the column of cumulative interest. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for paying attention. Let's catch up in the next video with another formula. Thank you.